This is the Waxfans Smart Waxing Kit for at-home waxing needs. Of course, it comes with the wax melter that opens up and has a silicone cup for easy cleaning so that the wax can just be wiped right out and cleaned. And something that is really, really neat about this wax melter is that it has a smart heating technology. So whatever temperature you set this to, it will regulate and keep at that temperature. So it reduces the likelihood of burns so that temperature is always correct and you can apply the wax straight. So let's go try it. So we will turn this on here, clicking that on off button, and you'll see that it lights up. Then it has these auto temp control options. It has one for facial skin, so a little bit more sensitive skin, a bikini and armpit one, and today we're doing the armpits, so we'll click that one. And it sets it to 158 degrees, or there is a full body for when you do your legs or anything like that. Then you can increase and decrease the temperature from there based on your likings and your needs. But this is going to have a smart temp control. So it is going to heat the wax up to that 158 degrees, and then it is going to keep it at that 158 degrees, monitoring it throughout so that your wax doesn't get too hot on you while you're doing the process to prevent burns or injuries to the skin. So we're just going to go ahead and fill this up with our wax beads. You're going to use the blue wax beads today that are for a full body effect. These bags are also resealable, so once you open them, they zip lock close for easy storage. I'm just going to pour a few wax beads in there to start. Perfect. And then we will click our temperature settings, and that will go ahead and get started heating up. All right, so we are back after about 20 minutes of that wax melting, and it is all heated up and completely stirrable. So you can see that consistency in there. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. The area that I will be waxing has been cleaned and my hands have been cleaned, or you can use the gloves that were provided. So let's go ahead and get the wax on the stick. We're gonna rub it along the growth of the hair and then rub it back the other way. Rubbing down in the direction of the hair growth. This is a great waxing kit for beginners because it is pain-free, it is really hard to mess up, and it comes with directions. And ripping back up, and you can see all of the little hairs. There we go, you can kind of see them there. You can go ahead and turn off the wax melter, let it cool down, the wax will harden, and then since that inner part of the wax melter is silicone, that silicone bowl is removable and you can just peel the wax out and clean it super easy, which is amazing because cleaning up dried wax is always the worst. But with this specific wax melter, it makes it easy peasy.